Pambula sky, crystal waves meet the shore. A tapestry of sand and surf unfurls pure and sure. Waves whisper secrets drawn to the land. A soothing rhythm, a gentle hand. In Pambula, hearts find their peace where clear waters flow, and worry cease, laughter echoes, birds take flight. Under Pam-bu-la skies our hearts unite. To the north the sun bakes cliffs and gold. To the south warm sands welcome young and old. Their joy is heard in every wave's crash. In Pambula, moments are treasured, not past. Overhead birds glide under sunlit skies. Their wings paint trails where the ocean lies. Each flight a brushstroke on nature's vast canvas. In Pambula, every view is grand, every moment surpassed. In Pambula, hearts find their peace where clear waters flow, and worry cease, laughter echoes, birds take flight. Under Pambula skies our hearts unite. To the north the sun bathes cliffs in gold. To the south warm sands welcome young and old. Here joy is heard in every wave's crash. In Pambula, moments are treasured, not past. Overhead birds glide under sunlit skies. Their wings paint trails where the ocean lies. Each flight brushstroke on nature's vast canvas. In Pambula, every view is grand, every moment surpassed. To the north the sun-baked cliffs in gold. To the south warm sands welcome young and old. Here joy is heard echoes, birds take flight. Under Pambula skies our hearts unite. To the north sun-baked cliffs and gold. To the south warm sands welcome young and old.